What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. I want to say Happy New Year's to every single one of you guys. I want to wish you guys all the best, health and lots of success, and let's achieve the unachievable this year. So in this video, we're going to do a price review on this car. I know you guys have been asking me how much was the body kit, how much was the wheels, where I got everything. So in this video, we're going to go through everything, and I'll tell you guys how much the car came out, how much I paid for the registration and sales tax. So super excited about this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Also, if you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your bell notification, because we post new videos every week, new videos. So go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. On our way to go do lights, brakes and smog inspection, and then after that we'll head down to our local DMV to do a VIN verification, and then after that we'll head back to the shop and do a price review. So super excited. I actually don't know how much exactly I paid for the car either, so I'm very curious with you guys. I kind of went a little extreme with this. I bought new rims, bumpers, pretty much a lot of stuff, so we'll find out. I know how much you guys love the numbers game, and I've been getting a lot of messages from you guys asking how much the body kit was, how much the wheels. So stick around. At the end of this video, you guys will find out exactly how much everything cost. So super excited. So for now, just enjoy the ride. So we're all done with lights and brakes and smog inspection. Pretty much you bring your car to them, they go through the whole car, they check your tires, make sure are good, your rotors, your brakes, make sure all your lights working, your headlights are not shining too high or too low, they gotta be at a certain level. And pretty much, yeah, they just go through the whole car, make sure the car is safe to be on the public roads, and they give you a certificate that you passed everything, and we're good. And once we get to the shop, I'll let you guys know how much the lights and brakes and smog inspection cost as well. So right now we're heading down to our local DMV to do a VIN verification, and we're pretty much done as far as the paperwork goes. VIN verification, they just want to make sure all your VIN numbers are good, matching with the dashboard and the pillar, and they check your emission stickers as well. So super easy process as well, and I'll show you guys exactly what they do. So let's head down there. It should be real quick, and then we'll head back to the shop. Just pulled up to the local DMV. We're gonna do a quick VIN verification. They have a special line for that. So what you do, you pull up, you open your hood, and you sit in the car till somebody comes out, and they'll go through the car and they'll give you a VIN verification form that you completed, and we're good to go. So let's go. we're all done with VIN verification. Super easy process, literally took me like 10 minutes and I was out. So let's head back to the shop and we'll count how much this car came out, and I'll let you guys know how much I paid sales tax on this car, how much I paid for the registration, lights and brakes, and all the parts. So lots of numbers. I know you guys love the numbers, so there you guys go. So yeah, let's head back to the shop and we'll go from there. Got back to the shop, so what do you guys say? Let's go and count and see how much this car came out. Let's do it. And the moment we all been waiting for, to find out how much my 2018 Mercedes GLE 350/63 conversion cost me. And I want to say a big thank you to you guys, whoever watched this whole entire rebuild. Thank you guys so much. If you didn't, I'll put a link in the description so you guys could check it out and be up to date. I was buying the car, rebuilding, doing the GLE 63 conversion, and all the way to this point. So we bought this car. The winning bid was, you know what? Let's roll the clip live auction. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, give it to me, give it to me. Yes. You won. Boom, so there you guys go. The winning price was $15,575 plus buyer fees. So it came out to $16,428. The car was located in Northern California, so it cost me $400 to ship the car. And then the car had left side damage, so I had to buy a new used door, front door, rear door, and quarter panel. So front door was $900, rear door was $800, quarter panel was $700, and then I had to buy a left side curtain airbag. That was $200, and then for the final I had to buy a new battery. That was $213. So that brings us to $19,641 just to put the car back to original spec. And then we end up doing the GLE 63 conversion. So I end up buying the AMG style body kit, which was $2,600. And it came with front bumper, side flares, and rear lower bumper diffuser and exhaust tips. And then I also had to buy a new rear bumper from the dealer. That was $695. I got replica rims, 22-inch. I paid $1,000 for them. I bought them on eBay. And then I ended up buying Goodyear tire. I found a really good deal for them. I paid $500 for all 4 tires, which is pretty much free. So that brings us to $24,436, which is a really good deal. What do you guys think? Please comment below. So that's the total to put the car the way it is right now. And since the car was salvage title, I had to do lights and brakes and smog. That cost me $250, and then registration cost me $534, and then I had to pay transfer dealer fee. That was $150, and sales tax was $1,279. So total comes out to $2,213. So that brings us to $26,649. The car came out the door, sales tax, registration. So what do you guys think? I think that's a pretty good deal. Please comment below. What are your thoughts on this build and the price wise? And then I looked a couple cars on eBay. Here's a couple examples. From 33,000 and all the way to 40,000. Depends on the miles and the interior color. With the black interior, they go close to 40. With the beige interior, they're in the low 30s. So mine has a black interior, and now it looks like a AMG 63. And a real GLE 63 cost. Here's a couple of pictures as well. Close to 80 grand. You could get one from 70 to 80, depends on the miles and once again the color of the vehicle. So there you guys go. What do you guys think? Please comment below. I would love to hear your opinion. I feel like I did get a good deal and I could always resell that car for what I put. I could sell that car 3 years from now on, 25 all day long. So in this condition, right now, I believe if I post this car for sale, I could get close to 35,000 for that car, the way it looks right now. So there you guys go. Hope you guys enjoy this price review. And also, I got a little giveaway for you guys. You guys, I know it's winter and it's cold. I got a sweater, LNC sweater. And all you have to do to enter the giveaway, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and drop a comment. And next video, I'll pick the lucky winner who gets a LNC sweater. So simple and easy. All you have to do, just follow those rules and you'll be the lucky winner. So we'll find out next week who's the lucky winner. So thank you guys once again for watching this video. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Man, you guys are a bunch of rock stars. Thank you very much. If you're new to this channel, you know what to do. Subscribe. Don't forget to like this video and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания!